So now guys, let's take a look at what you are going to be expecting for the day on our card JPY. So let's see what card JPY will give us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what markets will be doing for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now back to our analysis on our card JPY. So starting with the trend right here, guys. What can you say the trend is on your card JPY? If you have to zoom it out, right? Basically, this is an auction move. So we literally have three main market movements, right? We are either trending to the upside, or trending to the downside, or literally ranging. These are the three main movements you're most likely going to find. And when you take a look at what CADJPY is giving us, you can see that we are trending to the upside. So market is what's very much bullish. We are very much trending to the upside. So this can be seen as your high, and here comes the right, the higher low. The market was able to push up again to give a new high, and here comes the pullback, which is an higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. The market did push up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Now with this pullback, which is an higher low, guess what market is doing right here, guys? Market is now pushing up, so we should expect that push up to continue till it's able to take out this high right here, thereby giving us a new higher high. So the bullish move is what you should be expecting. On Tuesday, right, we predicted a bullish move for Tuesday, which is for the 26th. On our card JPY, the market did give us that bullish move. Our prediction for the 26th was that market would give us a bullish move for the day. Market did give us a bullish move. So this Wednesday also, we should be expecting a similar movement. Basically, this Wednesday, we should be expecting market to give us a bullish move. If in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I give you updates and let you guys know to subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.